Hello world. Today I am going to show you a quick tech trick which will enable you to know when your laptop battery is optimally charged. On an average, laptop batteries last for 3 years, which is about 1000 charges. So each time you recharge, the battery moves closer towards its end of life. Assuming you are working on Windows 10, normally you will get a notification when the battery charge is less than 10%. But there are no default notification when the battery is 100% charged. So the question is it bad to keep a laptop plugged in when it's fully charged? Well, don't worry, as long as your laptop battery is lithium based, as most batteries are these days, it can't be overcharged, even if you keep the laptop on AC power. Having said that, charging your battery to high voltages significantly decreases your battery's lifespan. Usually, the optimum level of charge should be between 40 to 80%. You should avoid charging the battery beyond 80%, and you should definitely avoid letting the battery to drain out all charge. Basically, if you charge your laptop to 80% instead of 100%, you could add months to your battery's shelf life. So let me show you how you can create custom notification on your own to know when the battery is sufficiently charged. Before we begin, make sure that you have enabled the windows to show the file extension names. You can do this by selecting the file name extension checkbox from View menu option in Windows Explorer. Now let's create the script file which will run in the background and check when the battery charge is more than 80%. Let's create a file on the desktop and name it as battery status check. Remember, you need to change the txt extension to VBS. VBS stands for Visual Basic Script. Now right click on the script file and click edit so that you can add the script. You can find the link to the script in the description below. Copy paste the text and save the file. So the script is ready. Now we want it to run at regular interval to keep a check on the charge. For this, we will create a scheduled task which will run in the background. Open the task scheduler from Start menu. Select the task library and let's add a new task. Let's name the task as battery status check. Make sure that it runs with the highest privileges. Now let's create a trigger for the task. So we want to run this task whenever the computer is switched on. So select Add Startup. We also want to check the task regularly. So repeat the task for every 15 minutes and make sure that it runs indefinitely, basically till the computer is switched on. Make sure the task is enabled. Now let's create an action for the task. That is, we want to run the script using a program. So to run the script, we'll need to use an application called WScript, which is provided by the Windows by default. So in the program, we'll mention that we want to run the script using wscript.exe file. So in arguments, you'll have to give the script file's path. Make sure that the file path is double coated. In the next step, we'll make sure that the script runs only when the computer is charging. So select the appropriate options as shown in the video here. Finally, select required settings for your task. Let's ensure that the task is run in case of miss or failure. Since we want to keep an eye on battery charge, let's make sure that the task is not stopped or deleted. In the end, simply click the OK button to finalize and create the task. Cool, your task is ready now. So let's test it.
The battery is 93% charged. Please switch off charger.
Just like the test, you'll get such an audio-visual notification to remind you that laptop is optimally charged and you can switch off the charger now. In the description below, I have also given the link of task XML file in case you want to import the task rather than creating it from the scratch. Download the file and save it on your system. And now you can import that file and a task will be created for you. You can adjust the settings as per your requirements. Once you are happy, simply click OK and there you go. Your task is created for you. Hope this little trick will help you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more quick tech tricks. Bye for now.